Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 24, to our 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. This is the last day of our swap, and I hope you've enjoyed watching me open all my marvelous gifts from Sandy, and hopefully you've been able to see my other videos that come up daily about what I gifted to my Secret Santa, or no, to the person I was the Secret Santa to. So let's get into day number 24. Thank you so much, Sandy, for everything. I appreciate it. I've enjoyed opening your gifts. Thank you so much. Day 24. How cute is this little snowman? And it's chock full of stuff. So let me open it up. I love this mesh bow. Love it. I'm going to have to reuse that. And then, sorry for the crinkling. How cute is he? And she's got this beautiful snowflake that she has dangling off the side. She's added some silver eyelash trim, some black velvet trim, a jingle bell. Look at Mr. Snowman. So cute. And so in here she has some chocolate that she has these cute little belly bands around with the cute little birdie snowman die cut. And then some pure butter shortbread cookies. Love it. Oh, and some cocoa with marshmallows. Love it. And some apple cider. I love this. I have some of this. I like drinking that. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, thank you. And then some peppermint stick that I could swirl either my apple cider, which no, I tried that. I didn't like that, but I do like it with my hot chocolate. And then she added a straw. And then how cute is this little decoration? Perfect. Thank you so much, Sandy. I appreciate every gift I received. I hope you guys again did enjoy following along. So hope you guys are having a great day, and I will probably see you guys next week sometime. So mele kaliki maka a mea maka hiki ho. That means Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I appreciate all the love and support that you show for my channel throughout the year, and I hope that you guys all have a healthy and safe holiday season. And until my next video, shakas!